He is presiding by the inauguration of SSCM-G20, Professor Balaram Pani. We welcome you, sir. And I just want to tell you about sir achievements. Sir is presently serving in multiple leadership roles at the University of Delhi. He is the Dean of Colleges, Director of the Campus of Open Learning, and the Principal of Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences. Okay, sorry, sir. Please continue. You are requested to address the gathering. Thank you.
Namaskar. Good morning to you all. Professor Jaggi ji, Professor Christoph H. Glock, Professor Sanjeev ji Deshmukh ji, Professor Srivastav ji, Professor Rajesh ji, and my dear colleagues, student friends, and participants. First of all, I am very much thankful to you, the organizing team, that they have invited me for this international conference on sustainable supply chain management G20. And whenever any conference in the Delhi University is taking place, it is good for the academia and good for the university and for the department, and means whosoever is participating, means it is good for them. And whenever it is sustainable chain, means that sustainable word, means I am from the environmental science background, means I know that is what is, everybody is talking about the sustainability. And when I was a student at that time, it was said that, okay, sustainable environment, but right now, sustainable word is coined in everywhere. And without, whenever and wherever do any work, without sustainability, it is useless. If whatever you are doing, if it is not sustained for a longer period, then it has no value. So therefore, sustainable is everywhere. And sustainable supply chain means here to me, means I am the layman, to this one means whenever this word supply chain management. And you know, management, that word, wherever that word is used, management is always in the positive sense. Means you will have to manage it in such a manner that you will have put it in the right direction at the right time, and you will have to take the right direction so that it will give whatever output it will be giving, that should be in the right direction. So that is the management. And right now the supply chain means in whichever department you are taking, means supply chain means it is the raw material you are giving supply to this one here, operational research, means here the datas, or what is the critical analysis, whatever you are supplying to that one, if it is not proper and if it is not continuous, and if supply chain will be breaking somewhere else, then it will not be sustainable. So therefore, whatever the data and whatever the analysis and whatever the materials, the raw materials you are giving, it should be in a continuous manner. And for that, you will have to have very hard work, dedication and commitment so that the supply chain should not be broken out in the middle way. And therefore, means the research is very, very necessary, and research is the major component of our academia. And if the research scholars, it should be very much helpful to this one, and in these conferences. Means many things, you can see the very prominent personalities will come and deliver the lecture, and you don't know means where and at what time and what will strike in your mind. From that word, you may do better. So this is the motto of this conference. And whenever it is the G20 and presidency of G20, means India has got the chance. And here, it is as it is said, one earth, one family, and one future. That is the one future. Your future means in the previous areas, means everywhere, means you just see 10 years back or 20 years back, so whenever we were discussing anything, we are talking about only the problems. These are the problems, and here, there, everywhere we are getting the problems. But right now, it is the time you will have to find out the solution. No problem. The discussion about the problems is no more. It is right now to find out the solutions for any problem. So that's why In the globally, means if you go for the G20, means everywhere, means in G20, you just see that everywhere it was talking about the solutions. So that's why it is very, very necessary for our academia, for our teaching staff and research scholars to find out the solutions, not go for the problems. Problem everywhere, you know. What is the problem, you know. And where is the root cause of that problem, you just identify it and strike it down, and so that solution will come out. And it is our primary duty to find out the root cause of the problems, and we should deliver the solution to the society and to the nation and to the whole world. And I am very much thankful to you all, and you have invited me. Again, I say namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.